How to find locations using latitude and longitude. To find any place, anywhere in the world, we use something like an invisible grid. This grid is made up of latitude and longitude lines. Latitude lines run from left to right, longitude up and down. Lines of latitude are horizontal and lines of longitude are vertical. The equator is our starting point for our line of latitude. It is at 0 degrees. This runs through the center of the Earth. It splits the Earth into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The prime meridian is our starting line of longitude. It is at 0 degrees. It runs down the center of the Earth. It runs through England and Greenwich. These lines go from 0 to 180 degrees east and 0 to 180 degrees west. It splits the Earth into the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Let's mark off a few locations to find their coordinates. Here we have a location in South Africa. It is at 30 degrees south and 20 degrees east. Our next location is in the northern hemisphere. It is at 45 degrees north and 80 degrees east. Our next location is in the southern hemisphere. It is at 30 degrees south and 60 degrees west. Our next location is in the northern hemisphere. It's 60 degrees north, 160 degrees west. Remember, our lines of latitude measure from 0 to 90, north and south. Our lines of longitude measure from 0 to 180, east, and 0 to 180 west. Here in Australia, we have 30 degrees south and 160 degrees east. And the next coordinate is at 45 degrees north and 160 degrees east. Here in North America, we are at 30 degrees north and 100 degrees west. And lastly, here we have 75 degrees south and 80 degrees east. When you are writing your coordinates, you always start with your lines of latitude. So this is 30 degrees south and 160 degrees east. Here we have 75 degrees south and 80 degrees east. Here in South Africa, we have 30 degrees south and 20 degrees east. In South America, it is 30 degrees south, 60 degrees west. North America, it is 30 degrees north and 100 degrees west. And here's 60 degrees north and 160 degrees west. We move over to our eastern hemisphere. We have 45 degrees north and 80 degrees east. And here we have 45 degrees north and 160 degrees east. Remember, the lines of latitude help us find locations. They split the Earth into a northern hemisphere, a southern hemisphere, an eastern and a western.